very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Hope you all had a fantastic evening. In terms of the Asian session, we did see the release of the Chinese CPI data, which did come in at 4.5%, which is quite a bit higher than what analysts were anticipating. However, most are putting this down to one-time effects, given the Lunar New Year holidays we saw in January, and food prices alone rising some 10.5% for the month. So this could all be seen as just a minor blip in regards to the CPI rates there in China. In terms of the actual European session so far, though, it has been still very much Greek-focused, the latest coming from a German government official who does not see any deal or any real definitive discussions being held at the finance minister meetings, which are due to commence at 5 o'clock later this afternoon, London time, in Brussels. That did see stock futures ease slightly from their session highs, with also some unconfirmed market talk about asset reallocation trades out of stocks into bonds as well this morning. In terms of elsewhere, we've seen the UK trade balance showed its most narrowest deficit in some 22 months, did underpin some strength in the sterling currency on its release. However, most participants now awaiting the interest rate decisions. For the Bank of England, all are unanimous in expecting rates to be maintained at 0.5%. The real key here is going to be the asset purchase facility and how much they increase that. Of the 50 economists surveyed by a major newswire, 35 are predicting a 50 billion increase, which is the majority, the remaining 15 going for 75 billion. In terms of the ECB rate decision, rates very much expected to be kept at 1%. However, the press conference with Mario Draghi will be key to see what his take is on the current Greece situation and these ongoing PSI Plus talks, as well as he'll be likely questioned on the LTRO2, which is to come later this month. That'll be around the 28th, 29th for that 3-year issue. That pretty much so concludes the opening wrap for me for the moment. We'll have another update this afternoon. We'll also keep you updated of all of the interest rate decisions as well as the weekly jobs numbers as they're due for release at 1:30 today. So for the time being, have yourself a great trading day.